ready for the beating of a lifetime! How do you like this? Wanna beg for mercy? Got you now! How do you like this? You need to chill! Got you now! Hey! You're going down! Did ya? Get lost! Dun 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 dun! Think you can take me? You're going down! All in a day's work.
How cool! I've never seen a soldier. Just thinking how to keep my compression down. I can look at things from. I don't. But it sounds
Either way,
scary.
moving closer.
I love Momo's too. She knows not
I'm
just
surprised Johnny hasn't come crawling back yet.
You're gonna want to hear this. I probably ought to.
Just look at him gouging prices.
That's quite the outfit. But wait till you see my style.
Y'all are in luck.
The hell is this?
There you are! Get back here, you little turtle thief! Aha! I'd know that tune anywhere. Nope. Got the wrong cat. different cat.
I do too.
Why do you all have to look the same? Gotcha! Ah! Flyer acquired.
Well now, that's quite the get-up you're sporting there.
You there, young lady!
Hey, do you think Avalanche are a bunch of...
Man, I seriously don't get how I could have lost.
Haven't seen you around here.
Someone certainly dresses them. Is it true what they're saying? That even ladies are starting to look.
Wars are coming, people. Need to be armed and ready.
Huh? I ain't seen you around here before. Sure you're in the right store?
I heard guns are useless against Utah's ninjas. For real, just can't hit them. Seriously, huh? Is this just a bunch of...
Come to think of it, no, not today.
Hey, lady, are you lost or something?
We must have found a gang.
We may not have the bullets to fend them off.
What's gonna happen to our town?
What? You thinking about joining the ranks?
Rook or a merc, we got weapons that work.
Can't keep canceling. Look at that, they blew it up. Easy as you.
Monster's been acting strange since the bombings must have freaked the monsters out. Yes, you could say the same thing about
These reactor bombs, they send their ninjas in. We're gonna be in big trouble.
I mean, each sector they have.
This will be done before the day.
Hey, do you remember?
Tell me. And just who are you? Never seen your face around here before.
Mom, you see that? Excuse you, there's no such thing.
Got any moves?
Uh-huh.
Their identity is a total mystery. Nobody knows who they are.
I'm back.
Ah, there you are. Someone's been expecting you. What took you?
Sorry about that.
What?
Just thinking how you're nothing like your old man. Anyway, it's nice to meet you. I'm Sonan Kusakabe. I was lucky enough to learn how to fight from good...
Yeah, I don't want to talk about him. Let's talk about something else, like how you've adjusted to life here, indulging in adult pastimes. Which I guess means drinking yourself stupid. Last thing I need is my partner stinking like an over-the-hill has-been. Speaking of drinking, you been to the Happy Turtle? If you're part of Operation Down in One, I take it back. I am there next time you go. Don't worry, I can do adult stuff just fine.
Well, I don't even know where to begin with all of that. But I do know I haven't heard of Operation Down in One. At any rate, I'm looking forward to working with you, boss.
Boss? As in me?
Well, I've got a few years on you, I'll admit. But out of us two, you've done this longer.
I guess I have. Boss, huh? I could get used to that. Beats being stuck on the bottom rung, that's for sure.
After we get the materia, we can celebrate your promotion at the Happy Turtle.
Yeah. Stupid bird.
Says the merchandise is good to go. Handoffs at a depot and municipal storage.
Okay. Yuffie, Sonan, you mind coming along?
Not at all. Need to scope out the city anyway. Really get to know the enemy.
We'll be passing through a rough part of town, so you'll want to go prepared. I'll leave you to get ready. Hit me up outside when you're done, okay?
Be right there.
You guys all set? Take all the time you need.
Can I assume you're ready to do battle with the virtual summon? Splendid! Thanks to the data you provided during your battle, I succeeded in developing a new materia. One might say you were faster than lightning. And with the Lord of Levin on your side, your enemies will struggle to keep up. You kicked its butt, like you promised. You're withdrawing? That is